In this section, we will be introducing more of our best-selling product. For kitchen hardware, all the product here have inner cabinet requirements. Please do take note of these measurements before building your carcass. Every product comes with two different pricing, one of chrome and one of stainless steel. Firstly, introducing the Magic Pull-Out system. This is our best-selling corner unit because this basket optimizes every possible space, leaving absolutely no dead corners. Also, the basket is hooked, so owners are able to remove the basket, making cleaning hassle-free. Next would be our pull-out tall unit. This 5-basket tall pantry storage unit has a serviceable weight load of up to 50 kg, suitable for dry food storage, and is also available in 2 versatile sizes. Our casement tall unit consists of a 5+5 basket, one set with 5 big and the other with 5 small baskets. This allows the owner to be able to remove and adjust each basket's position to their preference. A fully customizable solution produced through extensive product designed by Excel Hardware. Introducing our pull-out multi-purpose basket. This new model consists of a multi-purpose rack where both casement or pull-out doors can be used. All the containers and chopping board are provided. Moving on, I will be introducing the pull-out dish organizer. It is extremely easy to access when you are busy with cooking. Take out whatever you need with just one hand. Our pull-out dish organizer is a multi-function pull-out slimline sauce rack. This prevents the basket from shaky installation with the roller that is provided in the packaging. The bottom for 4 circles for bottles cannot be removed. For the rest of the house, we have the Excel Korean concept post system. With Excel's new online auto-generated quotation for post system, you can custom build your own storage space and get a quote 24/7. We have stock in 5 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, 9 feet, 10 feet, L-shape and even U-shape configurations. We have basic, premium and luxury packages as well. You can add on LED lights, select shelving colors, and styling door to visualize your dream wardrobe. Our wardrobe accessory include the ironing board, clothes lifter, shoe rack, and lunch extendable tables. Our ironing board comes with soft closing function. Remember to pull out the middle track before usage. This ironing board flows up into a concealed drawer concept. Have height concern? Excel new soft closing lifter solve your problem and can support up to 10 kg weight load. Our shoe racks feature a new 360-degree rotating soft closing shoe rack with 8 layers. Each layer houses up to 3 to 4 pairs of shoes. This is suitable for entrance shoe cabinets or your wardrobes. Lastly, our lunch extendable table. We carry retractable pull-out tables which are good for space-concerned homeowners. It is for dining purposes or extra space for food preparation.
Shop now at 𝐿HW.com.sg, a Singapore brand.